As everyone knows, we're still in a seller's market, but as we move from the spring market to the summer market, there's some things that I would like to share with you so that you can get your home ready and get the most showings so that you can sell your home quickly and get an amazing offer on your house. Number one, take care of minor repairs up front. In today's market, the buyers are looking to get their price down on their monthly payments. So they may be using their additional cash to pay down points so they can get a lower payment. That means they won't have the cash to paint or fix minor repairs that already exist, and it may cause them not to buy your home. The other thing that you'll want to do is make sure that you maintain the lawn and the approach to your house in a very clean and neat state. Number two, you're going to stage your home. To do that, you've got to look first to declutter your home. That's to depersonalize, take away anything that's excessive in your home. Any excessive or heavy furniture, any furniture that's more personalized or different than what you would usually see. Even painting those accent walls back to a neutral color will help. And number three, you have to have a plan for showings. So work with your agent to get in certain showing blocks where you're ready to show, and have a plan for what you're going to do with the kids and what you're going to do with pets. In the pets' case, it's often good to take them out of the house or to have them either caged during that period. And for the children, either have them away from the people showing, and it's usually best to take them and leave the home prior to showing. But if you want to go over any of those things or have us evaluate your house, don't hesitate to reach out and call us. This is Ed Sexton with the Sexton Property Group, and thanks for watching my video.